Hi, good evening guys. Welcome to another vlog. My channel DXB Fat2Fit, your journey to fight fat. Welcome to another vlog. Today I'm going to take you over a 1500 calories diet. Okay, how to lose weight in general, how to lose those pounds, those kilos fast. If you have to go for a marriage, if you're planning for a function, your marriage, your brother's marriage, or you want to go to the beach for the vacation and you want to wear those old dresses which is lying in your wardrobe, you have to wear that, so you have to lose weight, right? If you want to do that, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and stay connected with me to fight the journey for fat. Okay, so today I had a query from one of my subscriber. He wants to lose weight, okay, and how to lose weight. Okay, so I'm going to take you and I'm going to explain to you about, there are two kinds of calories. One is maintenance calorie. Those calories are the calories which is required to maintain your body weight, and one is calorie deficit. So if you have to lose weight, you have to go below your maintenance calorie. So example, a person is there, he's weighing around 93 kilograms and his height is 5 foot 4 inches. Okay, he is classified in the obese category. Okay, and he has to lose that pound, he has to lose that kilo. So what he has to do, the ideal weight for a person having 5.4 inches of height should be around 65 to 70 kg. So how to reach that, how to do that, the question comes over there. Okay, so I'm going to take you over a sample diet plan wherein you guys can be benefited about it and you guys can easily do it. Okay, so a person having a weight of 93 kgs, having a height of 5 foot 4 inches, here you go, you have your maintenance calorie, okay, for your body as per your height should be 2414 calories in a day. These are the calories which is required for your body to maintain the body weight that you have. So you have to deficit it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys on a 1500 calorie diet. Okay, so you're going below your maintenance calorie for a period of 10 days to 15 days so you can lose that weight. So in breakfast you guys can have 2 boiled eggs. That will give you around 160 calories. Okay, so breakfast 2 eggs. Okay, you can make it as boiled eggs with the yolk. You can have it with salt and pepper, or else you guys can make an omelette out of it, put some onion into it, put some green chili into it, red chili powder, and you can make an omelette and you can have it of 2 eggs. That will give you around 160 calories. Then in the lunch you can have diet chicken. The recipe about diet chicken will be in my description below. Okay, it's a very good chicken what you can make in a period of 10 minutes, and it's very kind of tasty, yummy, and you guys can cook it, take it over to your office, can have it, can be easily cooked. Okay, having 250 grams of chicken. So you should have 250 grams of diet chicken as per the recipe below. You can cook it and you will get around 832 kilocalories from it. And in evening you guys can have walnut, that would be half a cup, or 5 to 6 almonds you can have it, and that will give you around 411 calories. In dinners you guys can have salad. Okay, that is green salad. So you can have some cucumber, you can have some green pepper, Shimla mirch which is called, with little salt, pepper, lettuce in it, and you guys can have it, a bowl of it. So this is what you have to do for a period of 10 days to lose those pounds, to come into shape and to wear those dresses which are lying in your wardrobe. So please guys join me for another video, and please check the description and the diet chicken recipe which can benefit you guys. Soon I'm gonna post a video for my vegetarian subscribers, for my vegan friends, about vegetarian recipes, about paneer, diet paneer. Okay, so how you guys can have paneer and can do it. The same diet can be followed by a vegetarian guy. So for vegetarian you have to deficit your calories. The calorie calculator to know the maintenance calorie will be there in the description, so you guys can click it, enter your height in feet and inches, your body weight in pounds, okay, from kilo to pounds if you have to convert. So for an example, you are 100 kilos, so you have to convert into pounds, so you have to multiply it by 2.25, so you are 225 pounds. All right. And one more thing, guys, a big shout out to Danny from Dubai. Okay, hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I love Dubai. I'm gonna be back soon. Let's fight the journey of fat and obesity, to fight fat and obesity together, guys. See you.